Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the sticker images and the tray icon ready. Use a file manager and connect your iPhone. Place files in a stickers folder. Make each sticker 512 x 512 pixels, transparent if needed, and keep file size under 100 KB so WhatsApp accepts them. Add a tray image at 96 x 96 for the sticker pack preview. Once done, double-check file names are simple ASCII and unique. This prevents import errors later when you move into the app step. Next, open a sticker maker app that can import images from files. Create a new pack and add the 96 x 96 tray image first. This explains why the tray must be precise. Then pick at least 3 stickers from your stickers folder. WhatsApp requires a minimum. Assign emojis so WhatsApp maps emotions to each sticker. This is optional but helpful. Once populated, use the app's Add to WhatsApp or Export function. Make sure the app confirms successful export before you close it. Finish by opening WhatsApp and checking the Stickers tab for your new pack. Send one to confirm transparency and sizing look correct. If the pack didn't import, make sure images are 512 x 512, tray is 96 x 96, file names use no special characters, and the Sticker Maker app has files or photos permission. Try re-exporting after fixes. If problems persist, reinstall the sticker app and restart your iPhone to clear caches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.